All right, so this is a review of this Ricardo luggage set. Ricardo is a very well-known name in the travel industry, and what I like about these is they just made really strong. For me, one of the first points of failure in earlier luggage that I've had was actually this handle. And if you take a close-up look here at what this looks like, it's really well engineered over there, right? Because when the luggage handlers grab this thing and throw it all over the airport, this is where I've had a failure in the past. And we've traveled with these over to South Africa a couple of times, and they've just held up extremely well. If you look on the inside, the organizational abilities they offer are really excellent. First of all, you have this expansion, so if you're really tight and you need that extra luggage space, you can unzip it like that and get that couple of additional inches. And then if you look at the organizational stuff on the inside, so you can pack your suitcase in a way that if you know you're just going to access some things during your trip and you want to leave the rest of it packed away where you don't have to touch it, it's got this zipper to accomplish that. Things that you need to reach easily can be thrown in here. And then again on this side you have easier accessibility, but you still have the ability to tighten it up and make sure everything is nice and snug. The fabric on the inside is wonderful. The durability on the outside is great. And as I said, that engineering in particular is very important to me. On the smaller one, this one also has wheels. You can slide it around the airport like this on all four wheels, or you can drag it behind you like that. This handle again is super well engineered, and of course it meets the overhead luggage requirements. What's also cool about this one, there's a little USB plug over there. So you could put a longer battery extender in your luggage. I'll show you over here. Like this. Here's the other side of that USB cord. So again, the same kind of way you can secure your luggage there. And on this side, if you want to put a few things away that you're not going to access, it's very easy to get it all organized. Same beautiful fabric. So if you're looking for luggage that's going to last you for many years to come and is really going to hold up against some heavy travel exposure, then this Ricardo set is the way to go.